my name is Joël Kromenacher and this video is a message to Elon Musk. Please help me bring the ashes of my father to Mars. So if you're watching this video and you're not Elon Musk or somebody else managing a Mars mission, please share this video so it could get the attention of somebody who could help me. So my father, Bernard Kromenacher, died this Monday of stomach cancer, and he was a visionary. That's what he wrote on his business card. He was a science fiction writer. He wrote novels and short stories about all themes of science fiction and space travel, and also all of his hopes for a better society. And a while ago he wrote a short story where my brother and I would be reunited on Mars to do a ceremony for my father, who was the first man to die on Mars. Unfortunately, he died here on Earth and never got the chance to travel to Mars and to die there. So I would love to discuss the opportunity to bring his ashes to Mars and leave them there so he could at least maybe be the first person dead on Mars. So I know that might sound super weird, but that would mean a lot for me and my family, that his wish that he made a long time ago would be fulfilled in such a manner. And also for me, that would be awesome to know that even after his life on Earth, my father could make this incredible journey to travel to Mars and be there. That would be just unbelievable for me to know that he's part of the future of mankind that's going to Mars. And so here on Earth, by his books and by his actions and interests, he really fights to make the world a better place. His main job was developing software, and he was also writing a lot about science fiction, and he was also very involved in the universal basic income campaigns in Switzerland. He also had such a deep love for space and astronomy that he shared with us, and he was also working on projects to develop solar sailings. The main focus of his book was traveling in time and ended up in a society where people lived in accuracy. And lately he also worked on a project for a contest to apply those Socratic views to the current society and the way to get there. So if you want to know more about those concepts, I encourage you to go read his books, but they're in French, and I would put the links to them in the description. So you watching right now, please share these videos so it can reach as many people as possible, and so maybe I get the chance to fulfill the dream of my father of sending his ashes to Mars. Thank you so much for watching.